Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. In this video, I will teach you all about Maya eSIM. So first I will tell you that there is no app for Maya eSIM. You can find their website in a browser. So here I am researching Maya eSIM. Now here you can see this Maya mobile. Click on that. This is their page and it's how it looks. Here you have to choose your eSIM and you can activate that instantly online. Now here first thing is first choose our destination. Now here you can see all the countries. Let's now take an example. I want to move to London. So research for London in L. Okay. Maybe it will be United Kingdom here. Let me see. Here you can see UK. Click on that. Now you have to set your arrival and departure date. Here you have to choose first your arrival date. Now let's see, I want to go on Thursday. Now here choose Thursday. Now research here for plans. Now here after writing your arrival date, you can see all the plans. Here you can see the first one says 5-day. This is for 5-day and it's 5 GB. Activates on February 13. Download and install eSIM anytime. Simply you can see here its price is 6 GB. If we talk about 10 GB SIM for 5-day, it's $10, and if we talk about 20 GB SIM for 5 days, it's $15, and if we talk about 40 GB SIM for 5-day, it's $27, and if we talk about unlimited package for 5 days, it's. And here you can also see different SIMs for Europe. They are saying first one we have seen here are the SIM for UK, specifically for UK. But here in the bottom you can see the SIM for Europe. Simply here you can see their packages and you can see their prices. And you can see that these SIMs are 5G. Now here let's take an example. I want to buy this UK 10 GB SIM for 5 days. Now simply click on buy. Now here you have to write your starting date. Here you have 3 steps. First choose plan, second is create account, and third review and pay. Here first you can see starting date, and then now in prepaid time you can choose for how many days you want this SIM. Here you can see that we have chosen 5 days and it will expire on Feb 19. And for 5 days its price is 10 GB. Now let's change it into 10 days. Here the expiry date is now 24 February and for 10 days it's 11 GB. Now change it into 15 days. Now you can see that for 15 days the price is still 11 GB. Now if we change it to 30 or 180 days, now it will expire on March 16 and the price is again 12 days. There is not that much you can see price difference only for 5 days, and if we talk about 30 days or 180 days, there's just $2 change. So here for example I'm choosing for 15 days. Now here you can also choose the option for auto recharge. Stay online with automatic data refill. You can turn this on if you want to. And if you want to know what included in this package, it provides full coverage in UK and fast 5 GB data and instant delivery online. They also provide 24/7 customer service and 100% money back guarantee and trip cancellation guarantee. Here you can see all our details. Our destination is UK and validity is 15 days and it starts from 13 Feb and data allowance is 10 GB auto recharge. Yes, we said that we want auto recharge. Here you can turn this off if you don't want it. And that's all. Now click on create account. Here you have to provide them your name, last name, your email, password and your number. After providing all this information, choose these options here. Sign up for travel, news and promotion and agree to the terms and security. After that you have to review and pay. Now they will send a verification code to your number. And after receiving that verification code, and after providing that verification code, they will ask you to choose a method for payment. Here you can choose Apple Pay, Google Pay, PayPal or credit or debit. Here I am choosing Google Pay. Simply buy with Google Pay. Now simply by clicking on continue, here you have to provide your card number, month and year, security number, name, country, region and buying zip. After that, save your card here and pay. And that was all about paying, and that was all about buying Maya eSIM. And once you have buy this Maya eSIM, come back. After you have buy this Maya eSIM, come back and go to setting. And go to setting in second. And go to setting. In setting, you can see the option mobile services here. Here you can set up one. Here you have two options. You can transfer from neighboring iPhone, or you can use QR code to set here. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.